Hello. Today we're going to be learning about how to report spam in Proofpoint Essentials and what you can do to improve your email flow experience. Now, why would you ever need to log into Proofpoint Essentials? Probably 90% of Proofpoint users never log in to the web panel, and that's perfectly fine. However, when you do log in, you are better able to manage what does and doesn't get allowed through. You get a host of actions you can take on messages, and you can see what's being held without waiting for the next digest to come. Proofpoint will always try to insert a link that lets you report a message as spam. It will show up at the bottom of the message. If you click the link, a browser window will open to confirm the successful report. Sometimes that link won't appear in a message, so if you need to report the message, you'll have to log in. Every Quarantine Digest has two links that will allow you to sign in, as shown in the picture. However, you can also go straight to us1.proofpointessentials.com. At the login screen, enter your email address and click Sign In. Your page may look slightly different than what we show here, but you should have a link to Sign In with Microsoft. Click this link, enter your 365 credentials, and sign in. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll see is the log search. The controls for searching should be pretty self-explanatory. It will default to performing a search for quarantine messages inbound for the last 7 days. I recommend changing this to Search Any. Each message will have a checkbox that will allow you to take an action. Now, these messages are both clean and were let through, but if they were held as spam, I could release them from quarantine or release and approve. Let's say one of these messages was miscategorized as clean and you want to report it as spam. Click the hamburger menu on that particular message and then click Report as False Negative. Be sure to check the box for consent to share the contents and then the Report button. Other areas of interest include the Digest button that allows you to adjust your personal digest settings, the Allow/Block Sender list, where you can update your own personal block and allow, and the Emergency Inbox. This can be used like your regular mailbox if ever Microsoft 365 is offline. Now, in case you get confused, when you report a false negative, you're telling Proofpoint that the message is spam. When you report a false positive, you're telling Proofpoint that the message is not spam. In summary, the online portal is a great way to take greater control over your mail flow. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have more questions.